Hey everyone, I just got my August 2016 YarnCrush shipment, so let's see what we got today. Alright. There's a $49 value. Let's have a look at the yarn. Oh, this is very soft. Oh, it's so pretty. Just 100% superwash merino 1 ply. Yep. It's called Smitten, spun in Canada, hand dyed in on Vancouver Island. JOMA.yarn.com. There's that if you want to scan it. It's actually really nice yarn. On how much is it? 115. Oh, 228 yards. Which it's typically $25, which that's about average. Let's see what our little notions are that we got. We got some buttons. Ooh, what's this? Oh my god, I love it. That is adorable. That is so adorable. Okay, let's see if it talks about bonus gift. We thought a cute little sheep necklace would be perfect, subtle, yarny addition to any outfit. Retail value $10. Here are some coupon codes. There's a knitting pattern and a crochet pattern which you get emailed. Ooh, a sneak peek at September. Nice, I like that. All those colors look pretty. All right, let's see what we got here. Corrections. Oh, it's a $43.98 value. And then there's information about coupon code. Okay, that's fine. Of course, we got buttons. Okay, let's see what the patterns are. Oh, that's right, I didn't email them. This one has them printed out, which is awesome. That is pretty. Pattern notes. Here's a good picture of how it turns out. And this is the crochet pattern. So that's really cute. All right, and then the needle knit pattern. That's where the button comes in. That is cute too. I'll look up the designer. That's really cute. I absolutely love these. I'm actually going to get a folder and to keep track of all the patterns I get from the different companies, because I get quite a bit of patterns and it's really cool. Some of the companies like this, they actually print them out and it's like on a cardstock, so it's a good quality, so it'd be easy for me to keep them in a binder and keep track of them to use down the road for referencing. Okay, this month's, I absolutely love it. I love my little sheep necklace. I don't know, $10 is probably not any special material or anything, but it is cute. It is cute, and it came in a silver and gold, which silver is more me, so that's perfect. Okay guys, so this was it, the August 2016 YarnCrush shipment. It was a almost a $44 value. You got your yarn, you got a cool necklace, you got buttons, you got 2 patterns. There are some coupon codes there as well. So, alright guys, that's all I got for you. Thank you so much for watching. Any questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section below. There are direct links if you want to sign up for your own. If you have questions, just please look in the description of this video to make sure the answers aren't already there, because there'll be a direct link to the yarn company. Actually, was there a website to go with the necklace? I don't think there was. I didn't see a website to go with the necklace, so I can't put a direct link if you want to order the necklace, but there will be different direct links down in there, and if coupon codes that are on this will be wrote out down in there as well. So thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.